been an interesting last 10 days. I've basically just been inside like I've mentioned before on my social media, and it sucked. Having it wasn't the best thing that ever happened to me. It actually made me reconsider how good my health is, and it sucked. If you guys ever get it, you know what I'm talking about. I guess everybody feels it different. I got lucky and I didn't get really bad symptoms. My fiance did. Unfortunately, did pass it on to her. She tested positive for that. She lost her sense of smell and taste, but she actually got those back. We both retook the test, came back negative a few days ago, and as of right now, we're pretty much good. I've just been laying low and doing my own thing. And like, that's kind of why I was making it a big deal when I got it, or when we got it, was because we're getting married next Friday on January 7th. So that would have definitely sucked if we were sick by then or around that area. My car's just been sitting in the rain. Well, luckily it wasn't in the rain, but like, dude, look at that. Have you ever seen me with my car this dirty? No, but I don't have time to clean the car. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow again. It rained yesterday. I was supposed to make this video for you guys yesterday, but because it rained, I didn't really want to, and I don't want to do anything inside the house. Your boy just wanted to get out and film this for you guys. This is gonna be a quick video, and we're gonna talk about the giveaway. I'm just gonna put a picture of my car right here, that way you guys can like have something to look at. So I am at 19,500, give or take. I'm pretty sure I'm a little bit more. I talked about wanting to do a giveaway with you guys, and I've been wanting to do one for quite a while, but something always came up and I've never been able to do something for you guys because you guys shown so much love and support throughout the years through the channel. And I know it took a while to get to 20,000, but that's for many different reasons. But now I'm actually gonna be putting more effort into it. I don't want to make this a full-time job. I don't think I want to make this my career anytime soon, because I'm still planning on having my current job. But I do want to move forward with YouTube because that has helped me in it. It's basically paying for my car right now. If you guys want me to be blunt about it, you guys are paying for my car, and it's helping me out so much on the side. It's helping me with taxes, and like there's just a lot of things that could have gone wrong doing YouTube, but it's going right for me, and I want to say thank you. And the way I want to say that is I want to do a giveaway to you guys. I thought about this long and hard, and everything I'm gonna mention is coming out of my pockets, coming out of my paycheck. I'm paying for this. There's no sponsorship behind this. This is just something that I want to do for you guys. I mentioned before that there was going to be 3 prizes, or 3 winners, I guess. I thought it'd be cool if I gave away a Ktuner, or at least a Ktuner V1. But then I go, what if somebody wants to do a shifter because they already have Ktuner? Or what if they already have both? Or what if they just want like an intake, or like you know, like the prizes are everywhere. And I don't just want to do 1 prize, but I also can't do 100, you know what I mean? So I decided to do 3. From first place, whoever gets first place on this drawing, a Ktuner V1 version 1, or a hybrid racing short shifter. It's not mine, I'm gonna buy it from their website for you guys. Second place is going to be a shift knob from either a Qt or hybrid racing, or from another website that you guys prefer. Like if you guys have been looking at a specific shift knob, that's probably a chance to wait on it and see if I can buy it for you guys. And I'll go ahead and also buy the collar boot, that way you guys can rock the collar boot with it as well. And third place is actually going to be 3 items off of that artgeek.com. A lot of you guys have been asking, where have I gotten my air freshener for my car? And it is this one right here. It is a custom JDM red logo, Honda logo, from that artgeek.com. It's an actual air freshener. It comes with different types of scents. He also has different custom air fresheners as well, and has different stickers as well. In third place, we'll be getting 3 items from whatever they want from that website. First place is going to be getting a Ktuner V1 or a hybrid racing short shifter, the full assembly. Second place is going to be getting a shift knob from a Qt or hybrid racing, and third place is going to be getting 3 items off of that artgeek.com for whatever they want from there, from car freshen to custom car fresheners to stickers, whatever it is. This is something that I wanted to do for you guys, and again, everything's going to be coming out of my pocket. I'm going to be paying everything by myself. There is no sponsorship whatsoever for it. If you already have a Ktuner, or if you already have a hybrid short shifter assembly, we can work something out. If you don't have a Honda and you don't have any of those parts and you did win first place, I'll reach out to you. We'll work something out. Maybe I can get something that's around that price range for you that would fit what you want for your car. Or maybe you don't have to get something for your car. Maybe you want to get something else, like a Lego or something. I don't know. Just wanted to let you guys know. I want to make it as fair as possible. And the way I'm going to be doing the drawing is on my Instagram. I will be posting on there soon. You guys got to follow me right there. That way you guys can check it out on my Instagram. Once I post a picture, I'm gonna have directions on it, but I'm gonna go over it as well right here. You guys gotta tag 2 people in the picture. You guys gotta follow me on Instagram and you guys gotta follow me on YouTube. That way you guys can do this. I'm gonna be doing a live drawing on YouTube, 7 to 10 days roughly, give or take, depending on when I post a picture. So basically when I hit 20,000 subscribers, I'll go ahead and post a picture on Instagram, and then that's when we'll go ahead and start counting the days until we do the drawing. Now, how am I gonna do the drawing? Okay, I thought about this, and I can easily just have you guys go to a website, put in your email address. On the comments, you can just put, oh, my name is Tony, and this is my Instagram right here. I don't want to do that. When it's time to do the drawing, I am going to write everybody's Instagram and their first and last name down on a piece of paper, fold it up, and put it in a bowl. And I'm gonna do it old school. I'm gonna do it like the old school way, where you just draw 3 people from there and we go from there. I'm not gonna do that by myself. My fiance is gonna be helping me do that as well. She's gonna be the one writing everybody down. She's gonna go one by one through my Instagram on the picture on everybody that commented.
I'm gonna do what?
As well as I am. Now, I will say this on my YouTube channel. Hector, I know you watch my channel. I am so sorry, but you cannot participate in this drawing, because if you somehow win and I magically happen to pull your name on one of those prizes, especially first place, people are gonna be a little skeptical. So I am sorry, but you are not allowed to be part of this giveaway because you are my best friend and you are part of the channel.
The fuck?
I know you're punching the air right now, but I am sorry. Just to be fair, everybody else, to enter, all you have to do is like this photo, tag 2 people, and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a live drawing on my channel, obviously Tony Castillo, a week from this posting. I'm gonna go ahead and do 7 to 10 days, mainly because I don't know how fast I'm gonna get to 20,000 subscribers. From the last 3 videos, the channel has grown a pretty good amount, specifically for those 8th gen videos. And to everybody that's new to the channel, thank you, welcome, good luck to everybody. But I am getting married on the 7th. Now, if we happen to be around my wedding day, I'm gonna have to push it back a little bit because I do have to focus on me and my fiance, my family, and I'm gonna be doing my own thing for a bit from there, for maybe about a couple days. But as soon as that's done, we'll get straight into it. So the faster we get to 20,000 subscribers, the faster we can go ahead and do this giveaway for you guys. When I do the live drawing, I'm gonna be going backwards from 3rd place. I'm gonna draw 3rd place first, then 2nd place, then 1st place. We're gonna hang out with you guys. We can do some live questions. We can discuss about random topics on live. I'm not just gonna do that. I'm gonna be hanging out with you guys when I hit 20,000 subscribers. You guys think that's fair? If you guys have any other suggestions, link them down on the comment down below. That way we can talk about it. But just want to let you guys know this is what I want to do. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, and I feel like this is one of, if not the best way for me to thank you guys for helping me with the channel and for helping it grow. If you guys do own a 10th gen and you are happen to wanting to do a Ktuner or a short shifter, you cannot go wrong with either or. This is your chance to actually subscribe. I'm not asking for money from you guys. You guys do not have to buy anything. All you have to do is just follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, like the picture, and tag 2 people. And from there, we'll go ahead and do the live drawing. Does that seem fair? I just wanted to make this quick video saying I'm alive. 20,000 subscriber giveaway is still going to happen. We're gonna hit that very soon. And good luck to everybody that's gonna be participating in it. I will let you guys know when the contest goes live. Just follow me on Instagram. That way you guys can check it out. And I hope to see you guys soon. Good luck to everybody. You guys have a good day. Peace.